Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming physical connections and power. Plug the keyboard into your Mac with the appropriate cable or adapter. Many modern keyboards are class compliant, so no driver is required. Once done, power the keyboard, either via USB bus power or its adapter, so it presents to Mac OS. Make sure the cable is healthy and firmly seated. Intermittent contact causes device dropouts. If your keyboard uses 5-pin DIN, connect a MIDI interface, and then that interface to your Mac via USB. Next, verify the Mac recognizes the keyboard. Open Audio MIDI Setup and check MIDI Studio for your device. This confirms a successful connection and shows ports. Then launch your DAW, go to Preferences, and enable the keyboard as a MIDI input. This is how the software accepts data. Create a MIDI or software instrument track, set its input to the keyboard, and enable record and slash or monitoring. This routing ensures played notes trigger virtual instruments and that you can record MIDI performances. Finish by testing signal flow. Play several keys and watch for MIDI activity lights or DAW input meters. If nothing registers, disconnect and try a different cable or USB port. Swap adapters or a powered USB hub if needed. Restart the keyboard and Mac to clear drivers and permissions. Also verify MIDI channel settings. Make sure the keyboard and the receiving track use the same channel. If a manufacturer driver is required, install the latest Mac OS-compatible driver and reboot. Then retest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.